The other day we stumbled upon a beautiful cafe alongside a mountainous road. The view from the cafe was splendid. So here we have our drone footage. We set up our drone, we flew it and shot some amazing videos. When it was time to return, the drone came back to some extent and it suddenly stopped. We tried our best for the drone to come back to us, but it never came back. Instead, it waited some time in the air and fell down. We managed to retrieve it from the woods, and it's time to clean the fallen. First, I arranged things that I need to clean: water, alcohol, some Q-tips. I poured the alcohol into a cup and I started analyzing the damage. I noticed that several places were scratched and it was dirty all over. The dirt were accumulated especially over the hinge areas. As you can see here, the gimbal part was very dirty. The hinge where the wires are, they are dirty. The hinge of the propeller shaft, that's dirty as well. The battery area was relatively dirt-free. The gimbal was not affected somehow, and the gimbal is working fine in my opinion. The propellers were okay, but I wanted to start cleaning from the dirtiest region. So here I start to clean it. I used alcohol. I dipped the Q-tip in the alcohol and I started cleaning it from the dirtiest region. I cleaned over the top, I cleaned on the sides, I kept cleaning. It only takes a gentle scrub with the alcohol dip to clean the dirty spots. For some reason I thought I would use water to clean it, but I never had to use water to clean. Alcohol was more than sufficient. So I decided to remove the propeller and then clean that area as well. So I find the smallest, tiniest screwdriver and I started removing the propellers. Oops, my clumsiness shows here. And that's the reason I sped up the video. So I'm removing the propellers one by one. You can see that it's still dirty on the propeller cover. The screws come off relatively easy. There is some resistance while removing the screw, but it's relatively okay. I'm inserting the Q-tip with alcohol in all the areas I can so that all the dirt that is accumulated over time or during the fall will be removed, hopefully. I'm trying to find out where else the dirt has been accumulated. Some of the dirt never leaves. Maybe it scratches or maybe wear off. I'm not removing any excess screws. I'm only removing those screws that are absolutely necessary. And the screws that I removed was only from the propeller. Here we have a close-up look on the rotor. The rotor covers are cleaned up. Now the stand for the propeller and DJI overall is cleaned. I'm inspecting the propeller. The propeller is scuffed up, but it's okay. It's okay to be used because I don't have any replacement propellers. While screwing back, I noticed the screws do have some kind of a Loctite, some tightener for extra protection. Good job, DJI. I'm happy that DJI is very mindful in the tiniest details. While turning on, I can see that after connecting to the phone, it blinks green. And it is finally taking off and coming down. I'm happy that it still works after cleaning. Now I'm putting back the protective screen and pack it up for the next use.